Tax IDs. You'd think this is something pretty simple, but unfortunately, it can be devastating if little errors are made. The goal is to avoid personal liability for business obligations, avoid tax consequences, and keep all of your business operations separate from your own. But let me tell you a real story that happened and the devastating consequences that resulted. A business owner set up a PayPal account, and it was a little confusing how to set this up. The business owner's intent was to set up a business account in order to receive payments from customers for the business. Now, like most banking institutions, PayPal asked for a social security number for the business owner. And the business owner didn't quite know which type of account do I set this up. Do I set it up as a business owner under the name of the business, or do I set it up as a business entity under the name of the owner? And so the business owner ended up providing information for himself and the corporation. And then in the years that followed, the corporation's customers paid money to this PayPal account. Hundreds of thousands of dollars went into this account. And then there was a lawsuit. And long story short, it was not clear under PayPal's records whether the account was owned by the individual, the owner, or the corporation. And this happens time and time again, where a creditor will go after the assets of a bank account or a PayPal account where there's a tax ID number associated with the account. And it's not clear whether that tax ID number is the owner or just one of the authorized signers or the person who set up the account. So the big takeaway here is understanding that a social security number is a tax ID number for an individual. Corporations, LLCs, and other business types get their own tax ID number. That's called an EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. And as a business owner, company president, or COO, it's really important whenever you set up an account with PayPal, Venmo, a credit card company, or a financial institution, make sure you're using the right tax ID. So that the right ID is making sure that the owner is clarified. Is it the company or is it you as an individual?